Hey guys, Merry Christmas. So, as you can see in the background, meron tayong tatlong ignition coil. Tatlo lang kasi napalitan ko ng isa. Yung time na pinost ko yung concern ko sa Venus Nation, and then after a week, nakakuha ako ng replacement. So, pinalitan ko na. I didn't get a video of that, changing it. So, yeah, thank you for Jerome kasi request ko i-deliver niya sa akin ng mas maaga, and he made it. Sabi ko, magbabiyaya ako ng 22 ng gabi, so na-deliver niya naman niya ng 21 ng gabi. So yeah, thank you Jerome. So umuulan. Shout out to Mr. Jerome Stavillo. Thank you. So I have this trip on 22 night, December 22 ng 9. So I have to take the opportunity na i-check yung mileage ng sasakyan, I mean yung fuel efficiency ng sasakyan. So yeah, umalis ako dito sa Isabela around, sabi mo na 8. Dumaan pa ako ng Quirino to pick up my brother's wife and aking nephew, and then sa Solano I have to pick up my girlfriend also. So dumaan kami ng San Jose. It's already 1 o'clock, and then nakarating ako ng Clark via Victoria around almost 3:30 something. So at that point, pagdating ng 3:30, 1 hour na hindi ko pinatay yung engine, as well as sa San Jose hindi ko rin pinatay yung makina. So yun, we had our breakfast, then drop off to the airport, and then took off. Tapos nag-gas na ako sa GTO in Victoria, and this is what I have. Yan. So 14 point something blah blah blah, makikita nyo the screen yung aking fuel efficiency o fuel basta yun kung ilang kilometers per liter. So yun, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the coil ngayon. So standby lang tayo, let's do this. So, in changing yung sa coil, all you need is 10mm lang naman eh. Ito. But there's something that I want to share. Nung nagpalit ako nung coil, this number, ewan ko kung 1 or 4, kung di ba kung ilang bilang to. Itong isang to. Iba yung kulay niya, yellow. Yung socket nung isa dito, sira na. So, I have to buy coil socket din para mapalitan na ngayon. So, I'm gonna show you how to change yung coil socket. Okay? So, I'm gonna show you yung binili kong socket. So, ito yung nabili kong socket for that. So, kung mapapansin nyo kasi, these wires are different colors than yung nakalagay. So, yung iba, ang ginagawa is kinakat yung wire doon, tapos kinakabit dito. Which is the thing that ayaw kong gawin para masave yung original nung wires na yun. So, in order for you to do that, guys, yung white na to, alam yan, this white na to, kung bibili kayo ng ganito ha, same procedure dun sa original ang gagawin nyo. So, tatanggalin nyo muna tong white na to. Meron yung maliit na gap here. So, tatanggalin nyo yan. See? Pag natanggal yan, okay, you can see doon sa loob nito, I don't know if you can see it, Wait. Let me focus. Kaya ba i-focus dyan? Dito sa maliliit nito, sa baba niyan, may something kailangan mong i-pull down para mahila mo tong ito. Isa-isa. Let me show you how. So I'm just gonna pull this down. Itong isa. Look. Tatanggal na siya. So make sure kapag andito yung lock, yung itong baba niya dapat naka-face down sa may lock pag binalik. Okay? To say, para ma-save niyo yung original clip, original na ganito niya. Again, kung magpapalit ka naman ng ganito doon, picturean mo yung pagkasunod-sunod ng wire kasi baka mali yung mailagay mo, magkaka-trouble ka doon. So, we'll try to do this, but first I'm gonna change muna ng coil. Mag-change muna ako ng coil. So yeah, let's do this. The reason na nagpapalit na ako ng coils is may mga bitak-bitak na siya. Let me show you where. May mga bitak-bitak na siyang ganun. And sometimes I feel na kapag nag-step ka ng gas, gumaganon siya. So maybe yeah. So yan siya. Meron siyang crack sa gilid. So we'll be changing this. So ito yung papalit natin, guys. Thank you, Jerome, again for your efforts na may padala. And still I did not decide to change this before pumunta. Ngayon lang tayo magpapalit. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna mark this good number 1 because yung pinalitan natin gagawin ko na lang number 4. That is bad, sira na talaga yun, so lalagyan natin good number 1. Also this one, look, may mga ayan, see, nakikita nyo ba? Ayan, laking crack nya, no? Crack all the way. So ito yung papalit natin. Again, thank you, Jerome. We'll label it as good number 2. Now guys, itong pangatlo, I think this is the one yung sira yung kanyang itong ganito. So I'll take a picture yung sa tawag dito, yung wire niya para hindi ko mapagpalit. See? Naiiwan na yung ano dun sa loob kasi sira na to. So yeah, let's change that. Ilalapit ko kayo para makita. Ay no, ibibidyo ko na lang dito. Hello guys, so recently sinabi ko paano magpalit yung tinatanggal. Notice yung black na yan, yung sa baba nung ito. Yun yung hihilain mo pababa para matanggal mo one by one. So, I think I have to make it video na closer para makita. Alright then. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it closer para makita nyo. A little bit. Yan. Ito na ba? Okay lang. So as you can see, yan. May maliliit dyan. So what I'm gonna do is tatanggalin ko yung isa, ipapalit ko na lang isa. Para maganda yung transition. Where is na yung pagtanggal yan? Tatanggalin ko na yung buong ito lahat. Tanggal na yung isa, guys. Pangalawa. Tatlo. Pangapat. So, tanggal na lahat. Ito lang ang kailangan natin. Natanggal na lahat yung wire. So, what exactly I'm gonna do is tatanggalin ko isa-isa tapos ibabalik natin pag ano. Alright? Unahin natin itong isa. Meron lang siyang lock dito. That one. So, hihilain lang natin siya palabas. Yan. That's one already. Notice yung lock dapat doon din. Kung saan mo tinanggal, dapat doon mo isushoot. Babalik natin. See? Balik na. Then next, ganun din. Tatanggalin mo lang din yung sa baba niya. Piling ko siraan na. Naluto na yata, guys. This one din. So currently, sira na yung mga lock nun. So, hilahin ko na lang. Basta memorize natin pagkasunod-sunod. So be careful lang yung pagtanggal kasi baka pag nahugot, masira, yun ang problema tayo. So you have to make it as safe as possible. So yun, papunta na itong tatlo kasi ito, there you go. Tanggal na silang tatlo since magkasunod-sunod sila. Magkasunod-sunod silang ganyan, ito na yung pagkakasunod ng pagbalik. So ibabalik natin sila isa-isa. Ganon. So ibabalik natin. As long as narinig mo yung click, okay na yan. So yan na siya. Yan na yung bagong socket natin. So now I'm just gonna need to confirm it. Mahirap na, so kailangan natin mag-recheck ng mag-recheck. So I have to confirm, I have to compare yung kinuha na nating picture versus yung nakalagay ngayon. So ang pagkakasunod is yung black and white, green, yellow, and then somewhat greenish. So yeah, tama yung pagkasunod-sunod. So now, naipalit na natin yung lock nung socket. Kukunin na natin yung bago nung coil. Papalit na natin, guys. Alright? Ibabalik ko kayo sa malayo-malayo ng konti. Yeah. So, if you notice, madumi pa si Toothless. Kasi yan pa lang yung dumi nung biyahe niya before. Hindi pa nalilinisan. So, yan guys. Wait lang. Ayos lang natin ng konti. We good? Alright. So, ilalagay natin yung bago, guys. Again, papakita ko yung may bitak na rin tong luma ng lamp ko. Yeah, may mga bitak na rin siya rito. But this one is new, so we'll put it na. So, we try yung lock kung gugana. Let's hear it. There you go, nag-lock siya. May nakalimutan pala tayo ilagay, guys. Yung lock nung harap. See? Nothing's perfect. No one's perfect po. So yeah. Sige na natin tanggalin muna. I forgot to put yung lock, which is very important. Sorry guys, tao lang. So ilalagay na natin yung lock. Yan, babalik lang. I-ano lang natin, tutulak lang natin. There you go, nag-lock na siya. Ayan na siya. Sorry. Alright. So here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna road test this if works or not. So paandarin muna natin dito. So of course I'll put the cover muna. Wait lang. Let's tag this first as good number 3. Kasi good naman siya yung sasama na natin to yung sira. Alright. There you go, guys. Good. Number 3. Yeah. So I will be putting back the cover and we're gonna test run this. Hope you guys would love to come with me. So I'll finish it up and let's go. So here's what I'm gonna do first. Paandarin muna natin si Toothless, then we'll see if everything's good. Right? It's good. Pino ang andar niya, it's good. Well, we don't know what will happen if we gotta take it on the road. So yeah, gonna take this down, set up the camera inside, and we'll see you there. Alright. Hey guys, so we're here now. The reason why I show you yung sa fuel kanina is I think that affects yung efficiency niya, kasi if you have a bad coil, syempre hindi maganda yung pag-deliver ng electricity dun sa spark plug. So I guess, I don't know, maybe I guess it will have a bad burning fuel, somewhat ganon. So before tayo magbalit nun, I experience yung pag-aapak ka, gaganon si Toothless, may konting ganon. But we're here to test it out dito sa amin, somewhere here. Supposed to be yun, pag napakan mo, gaganon siya. You feel yung pag ganon niya. But now, I guess wala. Alright. So far so good siya. Yeah, definitely a big difference now. Kasi pag inaapakan mo yung gas, it will go. Wala na yung hiccups niya, parang sisinok. Now it has a smoother ride. So yeah, even pag nagpo-pull up ka ng third gear, meron siyang ganun may hiccups siya galing ka sa resting state, tapos bigla mo siyang aapakan. Sometimes may ganun siya, sometimes wala. So now that we're driving it, we're trying to see if meron pa rin siyang ganun. So mamaya I'll try to open up the gas pedal longer than it should be. Tapos yeah, wala yung ganun niya. Okay, let's visit our friend from the car wash kung bukas sila. They were here. Oh, it's closed kasi umuulan. It's been raining all week now. Yeah, our friends from Sticky Friends is also closed. So today is, I don't know, December 26. Yeah. So I'll upload this tonight. Kasi konting edit lang to guys, so pwede ko na i-upload. So yun guys, we did not encounter any problems now. We'll see it in the long run kasi just that road test alone, it's not gonna cut it. I don't know, pag lumabas tayo ng dito sa area natin, pag medyo konti malayo yung drive. So yeah, I hope you like the video that I made today. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. May mga binili ako sa Lazada Racing that we'll need to install here soon, by January na siguro yun, I don't know. So yun guys, thank you for watching. Shout out to Jerome, shout out to Sir Barney Ross. Hello sir. So yun, bye bye, thank you guys, thank you for watching, stay tuned, subscribe, bye bye. Oh shit.